Welcome to today's guide, where we'll walk through how to disable GIFs from auto-downloading in Telegram channels on your PC using the latest update. If you're tired of GIFs clogging up your device or just want a bit more control over your media downloads, this tutorial is for you. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. Make sure it's updated so you're working with the newest features and layout. Once Telegram is open, look toward the top left corner of your screen. You'll see 3 horizontal lines. This is often called the hamburger menu. Click on these lines to open the main sidebar. Here, you'll find all your navigation options. Next, select Settings from the list. This takes you to the full settings menu, where you can customize everything from notifications to privacy. Inside Settings, look for the Advanced tab and click on it. The Advanced section lets you manage in-depth application preferences, including how Telegram handles media files. Under Advanced, scroll until you see the section labeled Automatic Media Downloads. This is the place where Telegram sorts download settings based on chat types, private chats, groups, and channels. Click on In Channels to open the channel-specific settings. This is where you control what kind of media auto-downloads when you're browsing channels. Now, find the option for GIFs. There should be a checkbox or toggle beside it. Uncheck or turn off GIFs to disable their auto-download in channels. This means GIFs will no longer automatically save to your device. You'll have to manually download any you want to keep. With that, you've successfully taken control of GIF downloads in Telegram channels on your PC. Your device will stay cleaner, and you can decide exactly what gets downloaded. Thanks for joining this walkthrough.